And when it comes to mounting the floor jack to jack up your tires, well, one of my most important tips is that you actually try this out a couple of times and get familiar with it before you change or rotate your tires. Because every tire has a different mounting point, as you can see. And yeah, jack responds differently, just, you know, the way you pump it up and everything. So just test it out a couple of times until you're comfortable. And then actually start with the tire change. And another thing is that you have to be absolutely sure that you're comfortable with it. If for some reason you have the feeling the puck is not sitting good, or you know, these wheels, they need to be aligned straight, so that once you jack it up, it can drive itself in there as the jack lifts up. So just do it until you're absolutely sure about it. Doesn't matter. I mean, I did this already and last year, and I still did it 2 or 3 times because I just want to make sure that I do it absolutely right and I'm comfortable with it. So that's another important tip from me. Sehr schön. Yeah, and another tip is when you put the jack stand in place, once you have it fixated, put the extra jack axle stand under it and then very gently open this ventil so that the car actually rests already on this one. Then if something with the main jack fails, you always have a backup. And of course, when you then are ready to put the car down, first pump it up a bit, remove the jack stand with the double safety pin here, as you can see. And then once it's removed, you can also remove the jack. Double safety, always better. Very nice.